Mga bata, alis muna kayo dyan. Hayaan nyo yung player ng warm up dyan. Sir, pwede po kayo mag-warm up. Okay. Let's back to the ball. This is the third quarter of the game. 57-37 the score. Top ball to 26 Ortiz to 31. And there's a foul counted. The score and 1. Foul jersey number 22. And ball number 22, you have a third personal foul, jersey number 22. And bonus shot of jersey number 31. Pasok ang bonus shot, 3-point play. Galing. Ganun ako yung mamataan ko. Ako, sa 3 points ka, pumapaul pa ako. Pumapaul. No good. And kanilang bola again. Wala pa rin. I think this is not a lucky day. Oh, wala intercept. 22. Tumira. Wala. With a follow-up by jersey number 30. 2 points. 31. No good for the 3 points. Ako naman, no? Alam ko na yung sikreto. Alcohol. Number 10. Setting all the play. We have 10 seconds to shoot. 5. No good. 30. Wala. Wala. 2 points. Jersey number 26. Ortiz. Jersey number 22. 2 points to jersey number 10 for the DPR. Score po natin 62-41. Unting-unting humahabol po ang DPR. No good for the press. Number 5. Salamat. 2 points to Salamat. No good. To number 10. 2 points to jersey number 10. Yan ang gusto ko. Up, same ball. Substitution. 12-8, yung idol ko nandito na. Idol, late ka. Up, number 12. Labas muna po si number 12. Yan. Dito po sir, dito po kayo. Bawal po kasi dumaan po. Dito sa bench. Huwag kayo dyan. Ikaw naman sir. There is reveling violation call. Umikot-ikot ng pag-ikot-ikot. 7 minutes and 30 seconds to play for the third quarter of the game. Lamang pa rin po ang kaap by the number of 62-45. And that's no good for the teardrop. Number 10 with a follow-up. Iba talaga the scoring machine ng DPR sa Mujo. Angelo, Milodi, Angelo with a crossover, Angelo with a teardrop, no good, hindi pa nakikinitan. Warm up pa lang ang nagpapainit sa idol ko. Hintayin nyo lang. Malamig pa eh, malamig pa. Number 22 to number 10. Bang! What a 3-point! Basher by si Ashley, kumuha ng pagkain. Bait talaga ng kaibigan ko rin. Napakabait talaga ng kaibigan ko rin. Mabait na, maganda pa. Ano eh? Yan si Ashley. Number 10 again for the 3. Oh! Another back-to-back 3. And time out. Ang kaap. Grabe. Grabe yung liham ng kamay ni number 10.
Sa simple na pasuyak-suyak papapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta? Kain na? Hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ang puso ng dahan-dahan akong nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron ng namumuon. Hindi ko na alam kung ano.
Okay, let's back to the ball game. 62-53 ang score po natin. Grabe. Nandun pa rin ba yung spark para kay jersey number 10? Oh, what a crossover! Pass it outside with a 3. Bang! With a 3 points! Brought to you by Alaksan FR. Lakas na di umayaw. 22 setting on the play. 22. Oy! Hindi sila nag-i-miss under... Basta hindi sila nag-iintindihan. Ay. May pag-smile ng ano, pagkilig. Uy! Substitution. Injente in, sub mula po, jersey number 30.
Mato!
22 to number 10. Oh, good. 16. No good for the pull-up J and the follow-up. Hindi pa talaga napapainitan. Number 5, salamat. To 22. No good. And there's a foul counted. And there's who's foul rep? 31. First personal foul. And first team foul for the team of Kaap. Yes. And bonus shot to the jersey number 9. Pasok. No good for the 3. Wala. 22. Wala. 2 points to number 10. Ganda. 31. To 16, Angelo. Foul jersey number 14. Seven, Pascual. Pass to the wrong man. Number 9 to number 10. To 22. Wala. And turnover. Ayan po, jersey number 31 to 31. There's a foul counted. Substitution. Foul jersey number 14. Head ball is set to the jersey number 31. Real good. Huli si 69 and a pass break to 31. Ang bilis, 31. 69, patakin lang po ng jersey po. 69 ang kaap. Yan, salamat po. Ay, DPR. Yan, tama. Wala. Tumira sa 3. No good. And 2 points. 3 minutes and 48 seconds to play. 7-1, 16 score po natin. Angelo. Uy! Tapos yung layup. Foul jersey number 77. Constantino, you have a second personal foul and second team foul. Third is 34 again. Hernandez. Boss. Boom. Grabe. Reserve po. Miranda, jersey number 23. 15 seconds to shoot. To number 10. Submudyo. Pass jersey number 5. 2 points to jersey number 5. Salamat. Diyan ah. 16. Oy! Talagang ba? And time out. DPR. Okay? Sabi ka dyan, Juni Boy. Power! Patuloy yung pas kasi. Number 7 to the Guzman. To 22. That's the number 10. Wala. And there's a foul by jersey number 10. First personal foul and warning for penalty. Sige po. points si jersey number 77. Upo kayo. So, Johnny Boy, babalik kita sa Team Payaman. Tignan mo. Number 22, open good dress. No lucky bounce. 77 rebound Malakap. To Mailodi, Angelo. Naku, malas ba? Medyo, mailap sa'yo, Yuri. Substitution. Hindi, third quarter pa naman. Last 2 minutes. Third quarter, last 2 minutes. Pasisigawin pa ako ng last 2 minutes na yun. 2 points para kay 69. 30 pala. 26, Ortiz. Nawala steal, number 10. 2 points. Angelo. 2 points. Ayan na nga, kumagat na yung obra. Oh, wala teardrop. Grabe, teardrop na yun. 16. Pass to jersey number 7. Oh! What a end one with a smile to Pascual. Foul number 10. Number 10, you have a second personal foul. And penalties and bonus shot to jersey number 7. Stepping on the line to the free throw, Pascual. Ba't ako'y nagme-meron? Jersey number 10 again for the dress. No good. Rio by Ortiz, pass to Angelo Malodi. 16, ayan na nga. No goal. 22. Oh! Wala pass! But medyo bitin. Sayang. 69 again. Ow! Jersey number 16, Angelo. Papigal fighting for the rebound, one number 10. And there's a foul. Foul jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Pasok for the first throw. Pasok sa pangalawa. 16, Angelo. For the crossover, 16. Pasok. To number 10. 10 seconds to play. 8 seconds to play. 5 seconds to play. Basta na lang po ang marinig ninyo mga kaibigan. Efren.
Ang ito ay sa'yo'y maaari. Kaya siya ito na wake up from acting mo. Pretty, pretty lady, big bad, doesn't make sense. I see girl in your face, girl, get it on. Ang imalis. Di pa